Look at the roof of it. It's good. Really good. We're gonna taste the Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my today's video is unboxing my GOLI from Walmart. So let's start. Ta-da! Alright guys, so this is my first GOLI and it is world's first apple cider vinegar gummies, and it has 60 pieces in this bottle. Do not use if safety seal is damaged or missing. Let's open it. Oh, I guess looks like it's sealed. So looks like it's sealed. I don't have something to open it. Alright, let's open it. The seal is, oh, it's open. See, the seal is open. Alright guys, so it's really sad to say that this bottle is not completely sealed in some reason. I don't know. The package has a holes in it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to bring this bottle back to Walmart and get my money back. But anyway, before I'm going to let it go, I'm going to read this to you. What is the nutritional facts on this gummy? On the back of this GOLI bottle, guys, it suggested use here 1 to 2 gummies up to 3 times daily, or enjoy up to 6 gummies a day. But anyway guys, this is gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, organic, or unfiltered. Supplement facts is serving size is 1 gummy and calories 15. Total carbohydrates is 4 grams. Total sugar is 1 gram, included 1 gram added sugar. Folate or folic acid is 20 microgram DFE with 120 microgram folic acid. Vitamin B12 or cyanobalamin. Apple cider vinegar is 5% acetic acid, 5 milligram. Daily value is not established. So other ingredient is organic cane sugar, organic tapioca, water, pectin, sodium citrate, citric acid, malic acid, natural apple flavor, organic carrots, 4 color, organic apple, 4 color, organic black currant, 4 color, organic beetroot, organic pomegranate. Does not contain yeast, wheat milk, eggs, gluten, soy, gelatin, peanuts, shellfish, dairy, artificial sweetener, artificial color, artificial flavor, gave artificial preservative, and salicylate. Certified by Oregon 10th. Alright guys, so since I'm going to take it back to Walmart, and I don't like to order in Walmart anymore because it took like 6 to 7 days before it gets arrived, and I've been waiting this GOLI for like 7 days from now. So I'm decided to order one in Amazon because it takes like two days, especially if you're a Prime member. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel again. So anyway guys, this is the GOLI that I bought another one, since the one I ordered was broken, as you've seen it earlier. So this is the one from Amazon. Look at that. So this is the GOLI guys, and it says in here that do not use if the seal is broken. so let's check this one and see if it's sealed completely. Okay, alright, so now it's completely sealed, so that means safe to use. Made in an FDA registered, certified, and allergen-free facility in the USA. Warning: consult a physician if pregnant or nursing, taking medication, or have a medication condition. Keep out reach of children. So, right here. So let's get started in this diet. See what's the journey. So now guys, I'm going to weigh myself, see how much my weight before I'm going to start this GOLI gummies. So I'm very excited to see if this GOLI works for me or not, so just stay tuned. So right here I have my weighing scale and I'm nervous. 121. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna try this GOLI. So I already opened it, look. Look at the half of it. It's just a gummy, just like candy. It's good, really good. You're gonna taste the vinegar in it. Tastes like apple. It's good. Alright guys, so it's been 2 weeks, as in 2 weeks. So I weighed myself today and I weighed 117 pounds, so it's not bad. Now I am 117 pounds. So now I'm gonna weigh it again to make sure it really works. Alright guys, so I have another GOLI here today, and what I did in Amazon, I subscribed and they just automatically sent me one and it saved me few pennies. Now this is the 3rd week and I ordered another bottle of GOLI. And today I just received it. So I'm being excited guys. I really wish or I can go back to my 95 pounds before. So I'm gonna keep you updated, and maybe next week or 2 weeks from now I'm gonna update for my more weight from a more lost weight from GOLI. Sorry. Hi guys, it's me now after 2 weeks of taking GOLI and exercise. So anyway guys, I'm really determined to lose weight since I was gaining weight. So I don't like that. So anyway, I started taking that GOLI for 2 weeks, and as you notice, I lose weight. But before I losing that weight also, I did help myself doing exercise. Example like you standing abs exercise, I did that. You can find it in YouTube anyway. There's a lot of exercise in there that it will helps you to burn or to lose weight. So, and also I did a bike exercise at least 10 to 15 minutes if I feel like. If not, I don't care about it. But yeah, and I also do a yoga exercise almost every day. So now guys, I'm gonna share with you what I ate, okay? And for last 2 weeks, I quit eating white rice because I've noticed that white rice is, I mean, eating so much rice is, it's so much carbs, so it will gain you more weight. So the change that I did to myself is I switched to the brown rice. So if you notice, the brown rice has less sugar or no sugar at all. So it's really high in fiber, and it's really also high in magnesium. So it's a good one. And plus I ate 3 apples a day, like morning snacks, after lunch snacks, and before bedtime. So that's what I ate. And also I drink tea, green tea, morning only 1 cup of green tea every morning, and drink water, at least 8 glasses of water every day, but not more than that because it's so dangerous to your health if you are drinking so much water. So because I noticed that also I drank a lot of water, and when I got up from my chair, I feel dizzy. So I just started searching about drinking so much water. What is the cause of drinking so much water? So I found out in there that can also be dangerous, or maybe over dehydration can lead to water intoxication. So it's not good. So you need to watch it out also. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also tap that bell icon right there so that you'll get notified if you want to get notified. If not, don't worry about it. So just hit that like button for me. So, and yeah guys, don't forget to comment down below so that I would really love you to check you back. And I also love to give hearts. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.